Hello my friends, today's story is Tiger's Roar and it is by Rance and illustrated by Shane McGee. Wow, I wonder what today's story is going to be about. Tiger's Roar. Tiger was the champion of all the jungle. He was strong, bold and proud, and he sat at the top of the very tallest tree. Can you see he's up there in the tallest tree? Wow, tigers love to sit up there high, eh? But one day the winds blew. Whoosh, the birds shrieked. Eek, the tree shook. Whoosh, and Tiger fell all the way down to the mud at the bottom of the tree and he bumped his head. Poor Tiger. Tiger wobbled to his feet. He tried to climb the tree again, but the branches he had used as a ladder were gone. Again and again he tried, but it was no use. Tiger sat slumped in the mud. He tried a frustrated roar, but he couldn't even manage a little meow. Oh, he looks a bit frustrated there sitting in the mud, doesn't he? Just then, Howler Monkey came leaping out of the bushes. He danced around muddy little Tiger, hooting and pulling his tail, but Tiger didn't say a word. "What's the matter, Tiger? Don't you want to play?" Tiger shook his head. "Have you lost your roar?" asked Howler Monkey. Tiger nodded miserably. "Yes." "Don't give up. Why don't you howl like a monkey instead? That always works for me. I'm the loudest in the jungle." Yes, we know monkeys are very loud. Tiger tried a howl, just a very little one, then louder and louder until he was howling just like a monkey. He was very pleased. Hearing the strange loud howl, Rabbit came to investigate. Hey, Tiger, it's you. I thought it was Howler Monkey. What's up? Why are you all muddy? I've fallen from the very top of my tree and I can't get back up, said Tiger, hanging his head. Well, why don't you try hopping? Hopping always works for me. I can hop higher than anyone in the jungle. Hop, hop, hop. Don't give up, called Rabbit. Tiger's going to try and hop. Tiger tried a hop. Boing, just a very little one. Then higher and higher until he hopped all the way onto the first branch. Boing! Tiger was delighted, but when he tried to hop to the next branch, he hopped too far and he slid all the way back down into the mud. Whoosh! Tiger lay at the bottom of his tree, looking up at the high branches, wondering if he would ever make it back there again, when crash! Rhino appeared through the trees. Look at Rhino. Sorry, Tiger, I didn't see you there. What are you doing down in the mud, said Rhino. I've fallen all the way from the very top of my tree. I've been howling and hopping, but I still can't get back up. Well, why don't you try and be super strong? That always works for me. I'm the strongest in the whole jungle. Don't argue and don't give up. Wow, he's got a lot of friends trying to help him to get up the tree again. Tiger tried pushing over a tree, just a very little one, and it worked. He bounced around, howling with excitement. Whee! Tiger hopped onto the first branch of his tree, boing, then used his newfound strength to push down another branch to use as a ramp. He pushed with all his might to build another, but the branch broke, and Tiger fell all the way back down into the mud. Whee! Whoosh! Oh, poor Tiger. He's trying to get up there using everyone else's skills. Meanwhile, Silverback had been watching all the commotion. What are you trying to do? Silverback asked, climbing down from his own tree. I've fallen from the top of my tree and I can't get back up. I've been howling like Howler Monkey, hopping like rabbit and being strong like rhino, but I'm still down here in the mud. Well, why don't you stop and think? That always works for me. I'm the wisest in the whole jungle. Silverback is the wisest. Tiger tried to have a thought, just a very little one, but he was thirsty after all his hopping, howling and pushing, so he went down to the river for a drink. Wow, he's so thirsty from trying to get up the tree. As he leaned over the water, he saw his reflection and was so surprised he nearly fell right in. He saw Silverback's grey hair and Rhino's horn and Rabbit's hop and Monkey's howl, but he didn't see a proud tiger at all. Oh, look. That's all his friends combined in one, but he didn't see a picture of himself. That's so sad. I would prefer to be me at the bottom of the tree than something I'm not at the top, he said. Tiger tried a roar, just a very little one. Roar. Then a bit louder. Roar. Howler, Monkey, Rabbit, Rhino and Silverback came dancing and hopping and charging in as fast as they could. Thank you for trying to help, said Tiger, but these are your talents. That's right. Each and every one of us have different talents. Howler Monkey, your howl is what makes you special. Rabbit, your hop is what makes you special. And Rhino, your strong horn makes you special. Silverback, thank you for helping me be a bold, proud tiger again, even though I'm still at the bottom of the tree. See, all his friends tried to help him. All the animals looked up to the top of the very tallest tree in the jungle. It was a long way up. Do you think, said Tiger, if we all use our special talents and work as a team, we could climb the tree together? What do you think? Let's find out. So Rhino pushed and built a sturdy mound of dirt halfway up the tree. Then Rabbit hopped up into the higher branches to test which ones were strong enough to climb. Howler Monkey shouted encouragement, but he got so excited that he fell off his branch. Oh my goodness. But just in the nick of time, Tiger stuck out his tail for Monkey to grab. Tails never fail, said the cheeky monkey as he swung back up. Wow. Monkey howled, Rabbit hopped. At the bottom of the tree, Rhino grunted. Silverback gave one final helping push. Tiger leaped all the way up to the top of the tree. Tiger had climbed from the mud to become the strong, bold and proud champion of the jungle once again. But he knew he could never have done it without his loyal, caring and very different friends. Wow, that's an awesome story, isn't it? Roar! You could hear Tiger's mighty roar in every part of the jungle. It's good to be a tiger, but it's even better to be a tiger with a team. Wow, that's an awesome story, isn't it? So the story is about Tiger and his friends. Each of us are all unique and different in every way. But as a team, you can work together and you can use your different skills to help each other get to the top of whatever it is you're trying to build.